Paano to? Hi guys, it's been 5 years since my last vlog. Oh gosh, 5 years man. Kasi naalala ko, like, I was scrolling to my YouTube channel and my last vlog is birthday ng best friend ko. Vlog number 30, muling pagkikita, November 23 pare. 2020. Oh my gosh, that's a long time ago, man. Bro, ayun na nga. Hindi ko alam ba't ako nandito. Hindi ko rin alam kung bakit. Pero naisipan ko lang ulit na, alam mo yan, try things around, try ulit bagong things. Madami nangyari. I've been streaming on Twitch, pero hindi rin ako nagtuloy. I was posting on TikTok, pero medyo ups and downs pa din siya. And then, ayun nga, wala akong consistency pagdating sa mga uploads and things. Pero, we will try. Andito ulit tayo sa panibagong comeback. Hindi siya vlog. Siguro ito lang yun. A few minutes. Yun lang. Sabihin ko lang, I'm back. I think. I hope. And sana hindi ko rin alam. Oh my gosh, it's been a while since humarap ako sa camera na mukha akong baliw. And yes, it's been 5 years. Graduating na ako. Huling vlog ko is I think pandemic nun, and I was on, I think, high school, grade 10 or grade, hindi ko alam. So ayun, yes, I think I'm back. And bakit ako nag-upload ng Pasko? Kasi why not? Hindi ko rin alam. Bye bye.